In this video, I will show you 3 methods to take a screenshot on your iPad Air. Now, the first method to take a screenshot is by using the buttons on your iPad. Now, to take a screenshot using the buttons, just press the power button with either of the volume buttons. Now, you can either press the power button with the volume up button or the power button with the volume down button. Either combinations will take a screenshot. Just like that. Now, this was the first method. For the second method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Touch, then tap on AssistiveTouch. Now just enable the toggle for AssistiveTouch, then tap on Single Tap or Double Tap. I will select Single Tap. Now on this screen, just scroll down and look for the option for Screenshot. Now just select Screenshot, and after you do that, you will be able to use the AssistiveTouch on your iPad to take a screenshot. Just like that. Now for the third method, in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on Siri. From here, just tap on Talk to Siri and enable Siri or Hey Siri. Now I will turn it off. I will show you the process on how to turn it on. I'll select Hey Siri, then tap on Continue. Now just say the following sentences on the screen. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Then tap on Done, and after you've done that, now you will be able to ask Siri on your iPad to take a screenshot by just saying, Hey Siri, take a screenshot. Just like that. And all these screenshots which you have captured, you will be able to view them in the Photos app. Just like that. And this is how you can take a screenshot on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.